Hello, my dear and lovely friends. Hope you are fine, doing well. Here is come again Pinecone's Christmas craft. We hope you like the video. So please must subscribe and watch video till the end. So let's talk about something about pine cones. Long before Christmas, ancient people saw pine tree. Their cones are symbol of eternal life because pine trees stay green even in winter when everything else look dead and cold. Pine trees reminded people that life continues. So pine cones become a sign of hope, renewal, and new beginnings. Before Christianity, people celebrate the winter solstice, a short day of the year, by decorating with the evergreen branches and pine cones to bring nature indoors. This was believed to invite good luck, night life into the home. As we involve, pine cones kept their importance in tradition. They came to represent resurrection and eternal life through Jesus Christ because the pine tree never dies in winter. In older times, when glass or plastic ornaments did not exist, people decorated their homes and trees with hand collected pinecone nuts, apples, and candles. They were affordable, natural, and beautiful, adding warmth to the home. The pinecone's shape, a small cone that opened a spread seed, was seen as a symbol of spreading blessing, fertility, and good fortune. That's why pinecones were often placed in wreath, garlands, or near fireplace. Even today, using pinecone in Christmas craft connects us with nature's peace and creativity, reminding us to slow down, enjoy the beauty of simple things, and create joy with our own hands. In this video, I will share with you pine cones decoration, trees, most of ornaments, and how to make your home beautiful for upcoming Christmas event. Very amazing and beautiful design. Our blessing with pine cones. So let's start with our decoration. Pine cones hanging ornaments. Collect a few dry pine cones from your garden or local park. Clean them gently, and if you like, paint the tips white or silver to give them a snowy touch, and it's looking very fabulous and very amazing. Tie a ribbon or jute string around the top of each pine cone, add small bead or bells, and hang them from the rungs of your ladder. You can fix different sizes, big pine cones from the lower step and smaller one near the top. These natural ornaments bring a beautiful wonderland feeling, reminding us of a nature quite magic during Christmas. Now let's make mini Christmas tree ornaments. Use popsicle sticks or cardboard triangles, paint them green and decorate with teeny pom-poms or glitter. Attach a star at the top and hang them beside your pine cones. This combination of natural pine cones and cute little tree creates a perfect forest inspired Christmas letters. Next, let's make jute rope star ornaments. Cut a star shape from cardboard and wrap it tightly with jute ropes. Add little glitter or mini pine cones in the center. You can glue two small bells on the bottom for a gentle jungle ring. Hang this off star on the top rung or side of the ladder. It's a rustic beauty and symbolize light guiding us through winter. Now for the centerpiece, a pine cones garland with lights. Take a long before jute rope and glue or tie pine cones along it. leaving small spaces between them. In between each pine cones, add red ribbon, cinnamon sticks, or teeny ornaments. Wrap a string of fairy lights around the garland and hang it across your ladders. When you turn on the lights, your whole room will glow with natural warmth and festive, amazing cheer. For the final touch, place mason jar or glass bottles or each ladder step. Fill them fairy lights, pine needles, or small pine cones. You can tie a ribbon around the jar of decoration